Optimus was first announced back in 2021 during Tesla's AI Day, where Elon Musk basically went, yeah, we're building a humanoid robot that does the boring jobs humans don't want to do. People were like, no shot, he's joking. But nah, dude was dead serious. Then over the next few years, especially in 2025, Tesla kept dropping updates that showed real progress. There was this clip where Optimus was literally learning kung fu-style moves next to a human trainer, trying to copy the balance, the footwork, the flow. And honestly, that was the moment a ton of people went, wait, this thing's actually learning how to move like a person. And Musk kept pushing the vision. Mass production, maybe starting around 2026. First inside Tesla factories, and later maybe warehouses, homes, even healthcare. He even said Optimus might one day be bigger for Tesla than cars, which sounds insane, but coming from Musk, you kind of sit there like, bro, I could see it. And then came the moment where it really hit. In December 2025, Tesla took Optimus out into the real world, a Christmas market at the Mall of Berlin, and the Optimus was literally handing out popcorn to random people. Crowds lined up, kids pointed, phones were everywhere. Seeing a humanoid robot casually serving snacks in a mall? Man, that hits different. That's not the future is coming moment. That's the future's already here and it just gave you popcorn moment. Because for the first time, Optimus wasn't just an idea. It was right there, in front of regular people, in a regular place, doing regular stuff.
All right, so here's the thing a lot of people don't realize. For decades, robots were basically fancy factory tools. Huge metal arms, welding cars, lifting parts, doing the same motion on loop. Super useful, but zero personality. Nobody was high-fiving a robot back then, trust me.
But now, we've hit this point where a robot doesn't just work. It walks, bends, grabs, balances, and kind of figures stuff out. Like, that's crazy different energy. That's Optimus. And yeah, it legit feels like the future pulled up on our front porch and knocked.
So what makes Optimus special? It's not just push-button robot moves. It sees through cameras, thinks with AI, adjusts when it screws up, and it keeps improving every time it does something. Not a script, actual learning. Like the kid in class who finally got math and suddenly won't stop raising his hand. And sure, it's not moving like a gymnast yet, but dude, it folds shirts, sorts stuff, carries boxes, balances while walking, and doesn't complain, doesn't quit, doesn't need coffee. Give it a task long enough and yeah, it's gonna get pretty good at it. And here's the part that blows my mind. Optimus isn't just learning how to move. It's learning when, why, and where to move. Choosing what box to grab first, where to put it, and not needing someone babysitting every second. That's not robotics. That's the warm-up act for autonomy. You know how phones went from brick to smartphone to pocket supercomputer? Robots are heading down that same road. Version 1 looks kinda goofy, but just wait till version 5 changes your whole routine.
And yeah, people are split on it. Some are like, bro, if it takes my boring job, go ahead. Others are like, man, that's my paycheck, don't touch it. Both reactions make sense because when something this big shows up, there's always hype and fear in the same room. But here's what most folks don't think about. Optimus won't just replace tasks. It might unlock stuff humans never had time or strength for. Dangerous cleanup jobs, heavy lifting for disabled folks, maybe even working on Mars before humans do. Like, steel doesn't need oxygen, right? And don't sleep on the small things either. Sorting laundry, organizing the garage, putting groceries away. The boring background noise of life. If a robot takes care of that, people get their hours back. More time for your kids, your hobbies, your actual thoughts, instead of just dishes.
But yeah, there's a real question here. What happens to jobs? Nobody knows the full answer yet. Tech doesn't decide that. We do.